am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. And drawing the breath in the body, releasing the breath. Breathing in, breathing out. Centering your energy on the third eye and the heart. And so as you see the basis of the triangle, perhaps closing the eyes is the easiest way to see it, feel the point of your right eyeball. Now feel the point of your left eyeball, the point where they touch the lid in the center. Lids are closed. Now feel the point of the third eye above the brow there. And see the line of energies converging to that point. You have a triangle. From left eye to right eye, draw a line. From right eye base to pinnacle at third eye, draw a line. From left eye base, draw a line up to pinnacle. Feel the strength of that triangular energy as you breathe. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. From right eyeball, draw a line down to the pinnacle of the heart, pointing in the center of the heart. From the left eyeball, draw a line down, simply with your consciousness, draw a line down from the left eyeball to the center of the heart. Going right through, the lines are moving through the throat chakra and converging in the heart. As above, so below. You will notice that the bottom of the triangle, or the pyramid, is longer. You will notice that it is twice the length, at least, of the triangle that goes up to the pinnacle of the third eye. Breathing in, breathing out. On the inward breath, feel the activation of the third eye. On the outward breath, feel the energy converging into the heart. Into the third eye. Out of the heart. Into the third eye. Out of the heart. Into the third eye. Out of the heart. Create this very strongly. As above, so below. Anchored in your heart, your vision becomes powerful. Anchored in your heart, your ability to see stretches out beyond the confines of your old belief systems. Breathing in, breathing out. Toning 3 times and feeling the power of this design, this energy field, this vortex that you have created, this symbol within your own being, between the third eye, the throat, and the heart chakra. Feel your energy vibration now growing, and feel this anchoring, a space you can go back to. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Eyelids are closed. The point at the back of the right eyeball, touching the lid, right in the center. The point of the left eyeball, front of the right eyeball, the center, touching the lid. Drawing the lines, right to left, left to right, then drawing a line from the right eyeball to the center of the forehead, third eye, from the left eyeball to the center of the forehead, meeting those points together, creating the pinnacle of the triangle. Feel the power of it. Draw a line from your right eyeball down, angled to the center of your heart chakra. Draw a line from the left eyeball down to the heart chakra, to the center of the heart chakra. And feel the pyramid, as above, so below. With the palms open, tone 3 times and receive energy through that vortices that you have created into your heart, into your body, into the palms of your hands. 3 tones. Om.